There we go. That's looking like chili. Tell you what, I do not like these new glass tops. I hate these damn things. Hi, everybody.
You bringing out the big pot.
I'm bringing out the big guns. Well, big for us. Anyway. Bringing out the big guy. Gotta have the garlic. Gotta keep the vampires and all the germs away. Alright, good morning everybody. Today BB's gonna make some homemade chili. I don't know how the weather is where you're at, but it's nippy in Florida today. So we're gonna make some homemade chili. And I know you've probably seen me make chili thousands of times. But today I'm using a different seasoning, chili seasoning, so wish me luck.
And sauce, seasoning.
Yes.
Because Publix,
I
Walmart.
was going to say, don't even blame Publix on that.
Walmart is going Latin.
Yeah.
And I never even heard of Di Fratelli. All-purpose tomato sauce.
Me neither. So
I've been around since 1923.
the first time I ever seen it, so I don't know where they had it hidden, but I couldn't find the Great Value tomato sauce. I couldn't find Del Monte tomato sauce, any of that. So this better taste good is all I got to say. All right, little guy, cook. Let's get this out of the way. I gotta get the rest of my ingredients, and I don't want blood on my bloody counter. Thank you. Wind up taking some to your father.
You need that many beans. Oh, Lord.
I like beans and meat and chili. That's what keeps you content. So there's that. I'll probably try one of those, and we'll see. I got plenty more beans if I need them, and we're using the Goya because cameraman's mom gave us a crap load of them. So I won't be doing my beans from scratch. Soaking them overnight is what I'm referring to. Okay, you got to go over here. You're already on my nerves. I've got garlic out, onions, tomato sauce, diced onions, tomatoes, the beans, and then I'm going to try this crazy chili seasoning. Wish me luck. Gotta have me some fresh onions. Listen here, I'm gonna have a day today. I can see it already. So how is the weather where you're at? And what do you like to cook on a cold day? Is it chili, pot roast, pork roast?
Oh, we got a glitch.
All right.
No, I'm just joking.
Getting ready to say. Strong. Might make my eyes water. And BB, I don't know what the heck you're thinking. I need to wake up. I've only been up for 30 minutes, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
And you're starting this early in the morning.
Yep.
So it thickens up by dinner. Basically, you can make chili with any chili, right?
You can make chili with anything.
I mean, with any beans, I mean.
Yep, with any beans. Like my daughter, instead of using hamburger, they use ground turkey. To each their own.
Those are my favorite beans.
Yes, they are.
The kidney beans. Kidney beans are my favorite beans.
Yep,
Well, the house smells good with the onion.
Yep.
So, guys, let us know what you cook to keep you warm on a chilly
Or a cold day.
forecast. Do you make chili, a hot cup of soup with?
I mean, some people like chicken and dumpling soup on a cold day.
Oh yeah.
So I mean,
With the grilled cheese.
some people like beef stew on a cold day over like rice.
Or what was that thing? Goulash.
Or goulash, yeah. I'm gonna have to make me some of that.
So what do you guys like to make on a nice cold day where you're from?
One thing I say about this hamburger, there's really not a lot of fat in it, which is a good thing.
And I know we're gonna make this. What we got from Helen.
Yeah, we're gonna heat that up tonight.
Tonight or tomorrow? Because tomorrow's gonna be colder.
Okay, well, heat
Do it
tomorrow.
colder tomorrow. We do a little
Really? Already.
review on. We could do a review on that. That's from Sweden. You can put alcohol in it, or you can just do it like that, and it keeps you warm in the winter.
And they say it's a good refreshing drink too without the alcohol. So never mind my shirt with the spots because it just splattered grease all over me. Jesus.
Because we tried it when we were over there.
Mm-hmm. It was oh so good. It's kind of like mulled cider, but it's got a cherry flavor in it. It's really, really good. Right there.
Yeah, knowing some people make rice and beans, they keep the gooey stuff in there. Personally, I rinse the gooey stuff out. Because like BB says, if you get the beans that are hard and you soak them in water overnight,
That's the best.
that's really the best. Because there's nothing in it like what this has to cover those. To keep those beans fresh.
Yeah. So this is what I do. I just take the beans out of the cans.
Gonna have to get the beans that way.
What way? Oh, we're soak them overnight?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, here, I'm gonna get this one. I'm going to try to even drain this meat because there's really no fat to it. So I'll keep all that, what little bit is in there. And then if it's probably a tablespoon, that's all it is.
You guys like crackers in your chili or cheese chili?
Or bread. Some people like
bread. Or corn chips.
Garlic's gotta go in.
What's the other thing you could put in there?
That's gonna jazz it up a bit. Oh.
Starting to blend in the flavors.
Yeah, first. Garlic's done.
Just plopped it in there, huh?
That's all. Now I can start to turn this down to about a 4. There we go. Okay, let me get that going. You gotta go buy that. I gotta do another thing of tomatoes. Okay. That's cool.
You have another thing of tomatoes in there? Or no?
Yeah, because I gotta put the beans in there and they're gonna simmer down anyway. They're gonna cook away.
It's gonna be an explosion tonight.
Oh, it's tomato sauce. In case I need another one. No, it's diced tomatoes. What the hell? The other ones are tomato sauce. Okay.
So we had tomato sauce?
The little things.
Why are you doing that when it has that on?
I've been up for 30 minutes. Not enough coffee yet.
Jesus Christ. I should have just let you do it.
Welcome to the real world when you're half asleep.
I mean, it's only 9:30 in the morning and
Okay, so then I'll
we're
be
getting
up
our
about an
beans
hour.
on. We're getting the chili started. So
Yeah.
it'll be ready by this afternoon.
Yep, and now I got to get some more tomato sauce. So I'm going to use your 3 little cans and then put some water in there.
Might as well use it. Ain't like we make rice and beans anymore.
No, not like we used to. Oh, you'll love it. This has got cilantro in it too. That'll put a whole new little spin on the chili. Chili willy.
And they only sell that kind at Fancy Fruit.
Yeah.
You ain't finding that at Publix or Walmart. They'll sell Goya, but not the one with
Not these ones. Not the ones with the garlic and the cilantro. There we go.
call it the green one.
Yeah, you call it the green one. That's right, you do. There we go. That's looking like chili.
I wonder who invented chili.
Well, they say it was the cowboys. I don't know. If anyone knows, let me know.
Yeah, wonder who invented chili. Like, how did someone just come up with this idea?
Probably some poor people trying to keep warm.
But it's not like they have packages of seasoning.
No.
You know what I'm saying? I wonder. I mean, the
Well, you
real authentic.
All that is cayenne and
Oh.
different peppers.
Oh, okay. But I was just curious who invented chili.
Never know. Maybe it was the Indians. We just don't know. All right.
I mean, because when a lot of people think about chili, they think of Mexico. But I remember, well, I don't mean not that I remember, but
I was going to say, how old are you?
no, but usually in like cowboy movies or
Yeah, you always see him making some kind of chili.
or back in the day, they would always have, I don't know if it would be chili or just a bean. You know what I'm saying? Like just some kind of bean thing, some kind of slop that they would call it.
There we go. All right, let's get you off of there.
Because in the Cowboys movies, they always use a lot of beans,
Yep. Well,
like
they
baked beans. And maybe I'm just confusing baked beans with chili.
No, they did the same.
You know what I'm
thing.
saying? Because there just might have been different with beans and ham,
Whatever they
and
had
stuff,
on
right.
hand.
right? But I'm just wondering, like, who came up
There we
with the
go.
chili with the beans in it and stuff.
All right, that looks good. Now we're just gonna let this bad boy slowly simmer.
And the onions. Because usually when you think of chili, you just think of meat only.
Well, I don't, but some people do.
I'm saying, I think Wendy's sells chili just meat only.
Yeah,
All right.
theirs is meat and beans.
Well, it has beans, but I'm just saying, like, let us know. All right, how long is this going to cook for?
It's gonna cook until 3 hours.
Alrighty. We'll see you then in 3 hours.
See you in 3 hours.
Finish. Finito.
Finito.
Alrighty, let's do a little taste test.
In it, so
You put salt in there?
I just did, yeah. It's a little on the bland side.
Oh, shoot. Should have had Paco made it. Alrighty. There you go. I'm going to put my taco cheese.
Yep.
BB's got her crackers.
Yep, I like my crackers.
I might put a couple crackers in here. Again, how do you guys like to eat your taco?
Well, I'm just saying.
We'll
taco.
see. You would think with all the chili stuff in there, it had salt.
No salt.
Maybe that's why you like the other one.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's not my chili.
Why? Because you use the seasoning, or you?
I think because of the Goya beans. Those were really soft in the can, and that makes a big
that's
difference.
true.
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a decent chili, but it's not what I'm normally used to cooking.
I mean, you could taste it in the nose. The chili thing, but it could go stronger on the chili
Right.
seasoning.
Yeah.
But it's good to keep you warm on this cold day.
Yes.
So
So overall,
next time, Paco will make it.
oh my God, no, Paco's not
Paco
touching my
is a
chili.
better cooker.
Paco ain't making my chili.
Paco knows how to get seasoning on food. All right. So, guys, let us know what you guys eat on a cold night, a freezing night, when you're expecting a snowstorm or a cold front. What keeps you warm other than the heat in the house?
Exactly. So until then, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. Stay warm. See ya.